Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this AxisVM training course, and the topic for today will be the postprocessor for buckling analysis. All the main topics we mentioned them already in the static analysis, and these next videos about other types will reflect some details of the specific study we do. So in this particular case, we will check about the buckling. So this buckling, when you create an analysis, will display the results of the buckling analysis, which are buckling mode shapes and critical load parameters. And we have some specific informations in this info window, which are these NCR, that it is the critical load multiplier. We have this error entry, that means the relative error of the hygiene value. And finally, the iterations, which corresponds to the number of iterations performed until convergence was achieved. So, as you can see, we have a couple of mode shapes. And then we have the results which reflect these parameters, and we can see them according to these possibilities here, depending on the model. But it is what we have regarding a buckling analysis. Please check our examples, because there are a couple of topics that you may want to see, and they may be interesting for complementing this information of this video.